Hey y'all, it's me, Carmen Sweet. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell so you can know when my next video will be posted. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate the love. So today we're doing a crochet butterfly lock look. This is the first time I'm trying out the butterfly locks all together, so I'm excited. The hair was purchased from Amazon. They come, I think, 7 in a pack, and I think you get 6 packs for like 42 pieces, I think. I'll double check, but I'll also have it the link listed in the description box. So the braid pattern that I'm using today, I saw it from another YouTuber, Mary Kay Bella. Y'all check her out. She's like the queen of crochets. So what I'm doing is the side individual illusion, where you do singles on the side. So what it is almost as if it's a set of 3. So the 2 outer sides will be singles, and you connect them in the middle with a cornrow braid straight in the middle. So y'all will see that soon as throughout the video. So basically I just part the front part of my hair off from ear to ear, part my side where I'm gonna wear my side part for the look mostly, and do my singles on the bottom row, do the singles on the top row, and then connect them with a cornrow braid in the middle. And I do that on each side. So y'all just take a look as I get that done. Okay y'all, so like I stated, I sectioned off in 3, did singles on the top row, did singles on the bottom row, and now I'm connecting them all in the center row with a cornrow braid. So as you see, that's how the side will look to give you the individual braid illusion. So I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side, doing my illusion singles, and then I'm going to connect them with the cornrow braid in the middle as well. So for the rest of my hair across the top, I'm just doing cornrows. I think I should have did a little less cornrows, but I made it work. So and you'll see why later. But I just was trying to make sure the cornrow size fit like the size of the locks. I didn't want them too big, but I still didn't want them too small. So yeah, I just did regular cornrows across the top, and then in the back I connected like 2 or 3 of the cornrows and just had like maybe 5 going across the back, connected together across the back, going straight back. Okay, y'all, so this is the cornrow pattern, the crochet pattern, braid pattern. So yeah, like you see the cornrows across the top. Right now I'm adding the crochet in. So let me describe these locks. So these locks, you know how some of the crochet locks in the hair store is just like, is open in the middle, there's nothing in the middle. These are real locks, so they're dense, so they actually have hair in the middle. So as you see, to me, I loosened up the loop a little bit, but also I found it easier once I insert the cornrow, once I pull the lock under my braid. When it's time to pass it through the loop, I use my fingers. I took it off the needle and used my fingers to keep it open to slide the lock through the loop, if that makes sense, because it's dense, you have the curls and everything going on, so it's not just an easy slide through like you will usually have with, you know, your braid crochet or your twist crochet. So keep that in mind. I had to like spread the loop open and hold them open and then slide the braid through, and it made it easier. So what I will say is maybe not have as much braids as I did if possible. And also I went back through, because remember on the illusion parts there were the braids I connected in the middle. I kind of took some crochet out from there because it was kind of heavy on the sides, and then I realized I didn't need as much, and I was running out of locks, so I wanted to make sure, you know, like I had some in the back, I had some across the front. So yeah, I do have a little bit of a big head. But I would definitely say, and you know, you see me there, you know, flipping it over just to see how I look and see, okay, where I need another one at. You definitely, I would say, work from the front. Maybe get that front row across really good, get the back, and kind of space them out throughout the middle, depending on how you're going to style your locks, depending on how you're going to wear them. Because I did find myself going back through and rearranging and taking some out here, putting it there, closing up a space here, closing up a space there. So I do think maybe in the beginning I had mine a little too close together. I think I would have done less braids across the front part of my head, just so I would probably just so I wouldn't have that issue of running out of hair and needed to fill in spaces, because I found myself panicking early about closing it up. And then too, maybe I could have used 1 or 2 more pack of hair, but I don't like having a heavy head, especially with crochet. I don't. So speaking of that, even with these braids being a dense lock, if you are used to braids, they do feel like you have just got braids done. Sometimes crochet braids can feel a little lighter. These did not feel like that. They really did feel like I had actual locks done. So this is just me in the middle, closing it up some more. Also, I noticed these locks, because they actually have like the molly here in the middle and then in wrap. Some of them, well, I think I have like one that's coming a little unraveled, and the package does say you can cut them. So I did find myself going back through and like just twisting it back up, or I think I'm actually going to cut one that keep coming unraveled. But otherwise than that, as you can see, I do have some spaces in there, but that's totally normal for crochet. You know, you're not.
All right, y'all. So that
like
was the video.
So much hair on my braids.
This is the final look. This is like day 4.
So yeah, that's me like taking one out here.
I got plenty of compliments on it. Like I stated earlier, it is a dense lock. So you know, it's not that soft like crochet locks that you see like in the beauty supply store. So once again, I purchased this on Amazon. I'll make sure I have the name of the company listed in the description box. So yeah, this is the final look. I got some hair gems and jewelry and put some of that in. So yeah, y'all, if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, y'all, thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. Much love.